Leica cameras are renowned for their exceptional image quality, and the upcoming release of the Leica SL3 is expected to maintain this legacy. Packed with innovative features and performance enhancements, this full-frame, mirrorless camera has the potential to be Leica's most thrilling launch yet. Keep an eye out to discover what sets the SL3 apart and makes it truly special. The Leica SL3, which is rumored to be released soon, boasts some exciting features that suggest it might be Leica's most impressive mirrorless camera to date. Equipped with the outstanding 60MP sensor found in the M11 and Q3 models, it's bound to deliver exceptional image quality. Based on the specifications, the SL3 is expected to feature a slightly smaller body compared to the existing SL2 model, while still maintaining strong weather sealing. This combination is likely to offer photographers a perfect blend of portability and durability, making it well-suited for those on the go. The SL3 surpasses its predecessor, the SL2, with an enhanced stabilization system, quicker burst shooting, and phase-detect autofocus for improved action handling. Rumored to offer 6.5 stops of stabilization compared to the SL2's 5 stops, this upgrade allows for sharper low-light shots with slower shutter speeds. Additionally, the SL3 boasts reported burst speeds of up to 15 frames per second with the mechanical shutter, exceeding the SL2's 10 frame per second limit and enabling the capture of more fast-moving moments. The SL3 takes a significant step forward by incorporating phase detection autofocus, whereas the SL2 relies solely on contrast detection. This feature proves invaluable for photographers capturing active subjects, such as sports, wildlife, and children, where split-second timing is crucial for capturing the perfect shot. Additionally, the reported continuous shooting speed of 9 frames per second will help to freeze action effectively. For video enthusiasts, the SL3 offers enhanced capabilities with 8K and 4K 60p, surpassing the SL2's limits of 5K and 4K 30p. This allows for the recording of smooth, detailed footage at up to 60p in 4K, which will particularly appeal to hybrid shooters. Furthermore, the inclusion of Cinema 4K and S35 crop modes demonstrates Leica's understanding of the need for flexibility in post-production among videographers. Reports indicate that Leica is currently conducting real-world testing of the SL3 models. This thorough field testing suggests that the SL3 is likely to launch with reliable performance right from the start. Known for its stringent quality control measures, Leica is expected to maintain this tradition with the SL3. The prospect of having access to the exceptional 60MP M11 and Q3 sensor in a more ergonomic mirrorless body is highly appealing. This combination is anticipated to produce the stunning color rendering, precise tonality, and impressive dynamic range that Leica sensors are renowned for. Paired with Leica SL lenses optimized for maximum resolution, the SL3 appears poised to deliver some of the finest image quality available in the mirrorless market. The SL3's more compact body compared to the SL2 will be a great advantage for traveling photographers and day trippers who aim to travel light without sacrificing image quality. Carrying the SL3 along with a couple of excellent SL mount lenses should make it easier to capture outstanding images on the go. Furthermore, despite its smaller size, the SL3 remains fairly robust and weather-sealed, providing essential peace of mind that the camera can withstand various environmental conditions. This means photographers can shoot without worrying about light rain or dust while working on location. Leica is known for building cameras designed for real-world use and longevity, and the SL3 seems to continue this tradition. Moreover, the fact that Leica is already field testing SL3 models is highly reassuring. This level of real-world testing allows any issues or bugs to be identified and resolved before the camera is officially launched. Given Leica's reputation for reliability and everyday dependability, proactive field testing like this is exactly what you would expect from them before releasing a new flagship camera. In summary, if the rumored specifications are correct, Leica seems ready to introduce its most comprehensive and technologically advanced mirrorless camera yet with the SL3. It appears to be perfectly tailored to satisfy both discerning photographers and hybrid content creators. Moreover, for those who have invested in the exceptional SL series lenses, the SL3 appears poised to unlock their full photographic potential with its high-resolution imaging capabilities. That concludes our discussion on the potential of the Leica SL3 as one of the most thrilling releases from Leica. We value your thoughts on this topic and would appreciate hearing from you. Also, don't forget to engage with us by liking, sharing, subscribing, and enabling notifications for more content similar to this on your feed.